Today we're reviewing the Chefman Crispinator 8-quart air fryer, a low-profile appliance designed for fast, even cooking with its high-speed motor and 450 F maximum temperature. It offers multiple fan speeds and a handy viewing window for monitoring your meals. This model aims to deliver strong performance for families. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how the Crispinator performs in everyday kitchen tasks and its practical capabilities. This air fryer produces quick and impressive browning results due to its powerful heating element and efficient airflow system, ensuring crispy food every time. With an 8-quart capacity, this appliance easily handles family-sized meals, allowing you to cook large quantities without needing multiple batches or appliances. The appliance goes beyond basic air frying, offering multiple fan speeds and various cooking modes, which greatly expands its utility for different types of recipes. Its straightforward controls and a convenient viewing window simplify the cooking process, making it easy to monitor your food's progress without interrupting the cycle. This air fryer truly shines in practical, real-world cooking scenarios, consistently delivering quick and efficient results while providing ample space for family-sized meals and diverse culinary tasks. Next, we evaluate if the Crispinator's performance and features deliver sufficient value for its price. The spacious basket provides excellent value for family cooking, delivering ample space for meals without the higher cost often associated with dual-drawer models. This air fryer consistently delivers strong cooking results across various food types, as verified by independent tests, proving its efficiency and overall performance. The inclusion of 5 fan speeds and a high maximum temperature adds significant value, giving users versatile control over their cooking for diverse recipes. It stands as a strong contender against popular models from brands like Ninja and Instant, offering a compelling alternative in the competitive large air fryer market. Considering its capabilities, the Crispinator presents a strong overall value, especially given its powerful performance and generous capacity, making it a competitive option for buyers. Finally, let's examine potential concerns and considerations for buyers regarding this air fryer. Its substantial size means it requires ample counter space and sufficient clearance for ventilation, which is an important consideration for smaller kitchens. To maintain the ceramic non-stick coating, it is essential to avoid using metal utensils or abrasive cleaning methods, ensuring its longevity and performance. While convenient, the viewing window does require regular cleaning to prevent grease buildup, ensuring it remains clear for monitoring your food's cooking progress. Chefman offers comprehensive support through manuals, a warranty, and readily available customer service, providing good buyer confidence should issues arise. While there are some manageable concerns mainly related to counter space and maintenance, the overall buyer confidence is high, backed by good manufacturer support for this appliance. The Chefman Crispinator air fryer earns a strong recommendation for its efficient crisping, generous capacity, and robust temperature controls. It's an excellent choice for families and regular users who need a powerful, single-basket air fryer to handle larger meals. While it does require considerable counter space and regular window cleaning, its overall performance and value make it a compelling option for any busy kitchen.